मडगाव वाठारांतली भांगराकाराक लुटपाची घडणूक बरीच गाजली। भांगराकारान आपल्या गिरायकाचे भांगर भांगरा कारागिरा कडेन दिले। तांणी 71 लाखाच्या भांगराचेर हात की सफाई करून पश्चिम बंगालात फुज्यो काढल्यो। या चोरांक गोयच्या पुलिसांनी पश्चिम बंगाल पुलिसांचे मजतीन धरून मडगाव पुलीस स्टेशनात हाडले। दक्षिण गोयच्या एसपीन या प्रकरणाची मिडियाक माहिती दिली। पळयात रमेश नायक रावताचो रिपोर्ट।
मडगाव पुलिसांनी वेस्ट बेंगाला साकून जे 3 कारिगार जे आसात हे भांगर करपी जे आमच्या मडगावच्या शेतीचे भांगर घेवन गेल्ले तांकां धरून हाडले आनी आज तांकां जेएमएफसी कोर्ट जो आसा मडगाव हितून प्रोड्यूस केले आनी सद्याक जेएमएफसी कोर्ट जो मडगाव आसा हेणी सद्याक ताका 8 दिसांचो तिगांयकय रिमांड दिल्ले कडेन आसा, पुलीस रिमांड दिल्ले कडेन आसा। आतां पळोवचें पडटलें की ह्या कस्टडी जेन्ना घेता तेन्ना हे कितें आपल्याले तोंड उगडटा ते आनी जर तोंड उगडना जाल्यार हांकां दुसरे वाटेन तोंड उगडपाक लावपा पडटले अशें म्हणून आज एसपी जी आसा सुनीता सावंत हिणें सांगले कडेन आसा। आनी त्याच बरोबर सद्याक जवळ जवळ 16 ते 17 लाखाची भांगर जी आसा ह्या तिगांचे कडच्यान रिकवर करून घेतले कडेन आसा। आतां एसपीन काल प्रेस घेतला आनी तेणी सांगले कडेन आसा की हेजो जे कितली भांगर आसा हें जितली जाता तितले आमी रिकवर करपाचे प्रयत्न करतले म्हणून।
Business of making jewelry and is a resident of Pulwado, Salsette, Banawali has filed a complaint against their own employees who were their own artisans, karagir, wherein their names are Supurokash Mandal, Sanjoy Mandal and Tapas Jana. These were all from West Bengal. Now they were staying in Goa for last 10 years. They were working as artisan for them. So every day, as a matter of business, gold would be given to them. They would make the gold ornaments as ordered, and it would be given to this Pritesh Lotlikar for selling. Having given the gold around 959 grams approximately on 29th of November at 10:45 p.m. They have vacated from their flat from Komba Marga where they were staying, and they had disappeared along with the full gold, all worth rupees 72 lakhs. This was a case of criminal breach of trust and cheating. So as we took up the investigation through registration of offence at Margaon Police Station, PI Tulsidas Naik under supervision of SDPO Margaon Siddhant Shirodkar, the teams were formed and meticulous and speedy investigations were taken up through electronic and technical surveillance for tracing and apprehending these accused persons. The team headed by PSI Samir Gaonkar, Rizwan Sheikh, Samir Borkar and Ronit Naik, Margaon Town Police Station under the supervision of PI, SDPO and myself. The accused are in custody.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि भक्ती पेबाळगी।